Okay, this experiment you're going to measure the force against a flat plate. It's going to be very, very similar to the force when we measured force of lift, but now we're going to measure force of drag due to or on a flat plate. First thing that you need to do is measure the airflow through the air tunnel. Now, you're not going to put the plane through the hole in the bottom. What you're going to do is you're going to have the plane in the front. We'll go over the different angles to measure momentarily. But first we want to measure the airflow in an average sense in the frontal portion of the air tunnel. So get your flow meter out, hook it up to your calculator, go link, and get ready to take some data. Now the places you're going to want to choose to take the data, it will be the bottom left corner, the bottom right corner, but you don't want to go all the way to the top. You want to go about halfway down on the left and halfway down on the right and record your data. Now remember, you want to perform this data measurement 3 times at each corner and then take the average. That will give you your average velocity. So make sure hands and objects are away from the air tunnel entrance. Turn on the air tunnel, let it get a good flow, and then take a measurement at the lower left corner. Let it stabilize, and then repeat for the lower right corner. On the next point again is you want to go about halfway up, measure the flow data there, on the left, and on the right. And actually, if you want to be more precise, you can take a measurement in the middle. And then the lower middle. Turn the air tunnel off. And repeat that experiment, data measurement for the airflow 3 times. Then compute the average. The next thing that you're going to want to do is hook up the force sensor to your airplane, which you'll use as a flat plate. Here it's been attached, screwed in just from what we had before. Plug your force sensor into the Go link, which is into the calculator. And the first measurement you're going to want to take is at a 10-degree angle. Make sure you have your protractor and get a 10-degree angle. So, holding this at a 10-degree angle, let the force stabilize. Then hit the setup button. Select single point 5. Then again hit setup, and this time we want to 0 it. So hit the number 7, and then once again when it stabilizes, hit the zoom key, which is the 0 key. Again, holding your plane at a 10-degree angle. Make sure your force is nearly 0. Turn the air tunnel on, and then hit the zoom button to start. It'll sample it over 10 seconds and it'll give you an average data. There we go. Turn the air tunnel off. Repeat this experiment for the appropriate angles. Repeat each experiment 3 times and take the average. That concludes the demonstration of taking data for 2.6.